Humans need machine to weigh food now. Back in cave days, cavemen pick up meat and say, "Yep, meat heavy." Now humans use glowing calculator plate to measure blueberry. Primitive brain already overheating. Boonga boonga. Today cavemen discover famous Amazon gadget called digital food scale. Tiny flat machines somehow tell exact weight of food like kitchen wizard. And humans love this thing. Honestly, cavemen understand why. This little metal square weighed basically anything. Meat, rice, coffee, vegetables, protein powder, tiny sad diet almonds. Wait, what? Human really counting individual peanut now? Apparently people use this for cooking, baking, meal prep, fitness, and pretending they only eat one serving. Lies. Big lies. But this thing actually useful, especially baking. Because human bakers become angry scientists when measurements wrong. Too much flour, bread become brick. Too little flour, bread becomes swamp. This tiny machine stopped food disaster before happening. Primitive ancestors impressed. Also this thing's super easy. Put bowl on top. Press button. Machine reset to 0 like magic. Then add ingredients one by one. Tiny glowing numbers do all hard thinking. Human invent machine because human weak at math. And this scale switch between grams, ounces, pounds, and milliliters. Back in cave days, we only had one measurement system. Big rock, medium rock, oh no, too big rock. Now kitchen tool doing advanced cave mathematics. Primitive brain cannot handle this technology. Best part honestly, things super small. You can throw it in drawer and forget it exists until suddenly you become midnight pancake scientist. Also battery apparently last forever. This thing used less energy than cousin Grug trying to read. And for coffee people, now cavemen understand obsession. Humans weighing coffee beans with surgical precision like ancient ritual ceremony. One extra bean probably destroy universe somehow. Wait, what? But okay, honest caveman opinion. If you cook often, meal prep, track calories, bake stuff, or try and get healthier, this thing actually very smart buy. Cheap, simple, useful. One of those gadgets humans use every day without realizing. But if you never cook, or your current cooking strategy is throw cheese at problem, maybe not life-changing. Also if caveman hungry enough, caveman not measuring anything, entire mammoth entering cooking pot immediately. Still, for normal civilized humans, very solid gadget. Tiny machines somehow remove stress from cooking. And honestly, kinda satisfying watching numbers change. Primitive brain entertained easily. Final caveman verdict, 8.5 mammoth steaks out of 10. Simple gadget, useful gadget, scary accurate gadget. This thing smarter than cousin Grug. If tribe want tiny magic number machine too, caveman leave shiny Amazon link below in description. Click link before humans buy all. And subscribe for more Amazon finds for primitive minds. Boonga boonga.